Here's a tutorial for Celtic Overture by Lennie Niehaus. It's in 6/8 and D major, 2 sharps. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da 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 bam 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 bam. 1, 2, 3. Let's start at the beginning. Go a little slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, here we go right now. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Solely. 2, 3. 23, we'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We rest 4 bars. 31 solely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so these are some notes that A sharp you may not have played before, and this C sharp might be kind of new to you. First position's here, that C sharp is here, extended away. Notice how my first finger stays there, except when I get that 4th finger C sharp, my first finger can travel to the A sharp on the G string. So let's play that C sharp with my first finger still used to being low, playing an E natural. And go up to an A sharp. And then we play an A natural. An A sharp. And a G sharp. Okay? It may be easier to start that in half position on that A natural with a 2. 3 to an A sharp, B, G sharp, A. Then we non-divisi open string. Crescendo, here's 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got all that. Play all the rest of that as far as the tutorial is concerned. 57, when we hit a 3/4, it's probably going to be might be the same tempo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 61. That's a lot of G's. Here's 69. 69. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C sharp, D, 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 G. And this is a little lick we have. G. That's 76. Let's do it together. Try it again. If you want to be somewhat clever, you can play it all on the D string with starting on 2nd finger. 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, and shift back to a 1. And in general, that's how I would do it. Because that A string bounces out at you and it's no good. 2, 3. 2, 3. May want to get back to half position. Doesn't matter though. E, D sharp, E, maybe 2, E flat, same note as D sharp, D natural, C sharp. Sorry, I was a little sharp there. 2. You may be wondering how you're going to hit that. It's going to be kind of tricky. One thing I like to do is use my open strings as a note I'm going to play on the open D and second finger D on the G string, and that's where my C sharp lives. From 77, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2 bars of rest. Here's the soli. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 9, 3. Do the soli again because it's important. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 93, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, off. 104, non-divisi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now maybe here instead of playing an A, we could find a note to play on the D string, or finger that A on a D string. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rest. And it says DS al coda. Now we're going to jump back from there all the way to the sign, which is at 15. So it'll be da, da, 1, 2, and 15. Okay? You're going to play all of 15, and we're going to jump to the coda at 51. Instead of playing 51, we play 50, and then we jump to page 2 of the coda. So 50, which sounds like this. See if I can do this. 1, 2, 3, and then the coda. Sorry. Coda again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing to that. You got it. Good luck on it. Thanks for working on it.